spent hours, days, weeks reading up about it, getting to know exactly what it was. We have no idea why they chose such a small village. We've only 1,700 people living here. It's a very small place. You can see it since putting it down.
I found out about it just before Christmas, around Halloween time last year. And I was I didn't believe it. I said no, they wouldn't be here. I said our government would not allow this to happen because there's absolutely no supervision on what they do there. Now, apart from that, I run a preschool and I've run it for many, many years. And my preschool is actually situated here. And having a rehabilitation centre for drug addicts over there, it doesn't marry. Originally, when this was put up as being a nursing home, I thought we could have a rapport with the elderly. Then this turned around. And I don't know how you can equate a nursing home to a drug rehabilitation centre. I just don't know how you can do it. They've started here a week ago on Monday. The noise of the pounding, pulling up the original foundations that were there. My little ones, who make quite a lot of noise, they wouldn't even stay in the play yard. They had to come in.
The other big concern I would have is the size of this drug rehabilitation centre. They're talking about 34 drug addicts being here for rehabilitation. Don't have a problem with drug rehabilitation, but the size of it here within a very small community. I have some involvement with another drug recovery centre, but there's 12 people in a population of about 35,000. The other concern that I would have then as well, and this is not only applies to Narconon, but applies to the whole drug rehabilitation business in Ireland. It's not regulated, and I said, surely be goodness, if Narconon or anybody else comes in here, they will be regulated by the HSE. And so I said, you know, they will not be using their own methods, or if they're using their own methods, at least they'll be using methods compatible with the HSE standards and HICWA standards. But no, so there is no standards here in Ireland for any drug rehabilitation centre that operates privately.
Seemingly the powers that be don't have the will to change it. They don't really care because it's not sitting on their doorstep. We had politicians down here, they were going to do this, that and the other. Got the photo opportunity, ran for the hills, left us alone. We're paddling our own canoe and that's it.